Guys, we are going on the most impromptu trip ever.
How are we gonna survive this trip? We are three dumb people.
I literally just got bitten by some flower.
What? What is the date today?
16th January.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Cafe to bus.
Nescafe is
Instant,
good.
everything
Yeah.
is instant.
They had pancake, which was like paratha, but like good. How was that, Pratha?
On a scale of 1 to
ये तो
10.
गंदी शक्ल क्यों बना रही है? 3.5
I got a 6.
from 10 or 5?
10.
10.
Oh, 10. Okay. इतने तो मैंने अपने पनीर को भी नहीं दिया था वैसे. पनीर 6.
Yeah.
6.5.
6. Okay, guys, this coffee was better than the yesterday one.
भाई कितना क्यूट है यार.
1 ग्राम से कम भी होता था.
ले
1 ग्राम से कम देखा कभी?
I don't know what is she trying to do.
अच्छा उल्टा रखा था ये.
Look at this. क्या है ये?
1 ग्राम से
1 ग्राम से कम जो होता था ये कभी नहीं देखा होगा किसी ने.
What is this word?
मतलब
1 ग्राम
1 ग्राम से कम तोलने के लिए सोना तो 1 ग्राम से कम.
अच्छा, oh that
लेबल करने के
weight.
लिए पूरा.
अच्छा, हाँ, okay.
तो ये क्या है? ये बनी किसकी है वैसे?
ये एल्युमिनियम से बनती है. इस पे लिखा हुआ है ग्राम.
Fine glass.
बाहर निकाल के.
I want to see that.
कौन करना चाहेगा इधर आ जाओ.
कौन सा phone?
वो बजेगा अभी. चल तो बजने दो पहले. बज गया.
Oh, I can't tell which one is it. Oh, this one.
चलो करो
Go
बात.
there.
Hello. I can actually hear.
Is it the same voice or it's something different? Like, is it the voice is quality similar to what we hear today? Very clearly.
Yeah, it's also very clear.
Oh, I like it.
I love this, okay, this one.
Oh, wow.
This one is so pretty.
Is it fitting you?
Yeah, it's fitting.
और पहले ये दुकान बेक हाउस पे होती थी टेलर की. फैज के नाम से. और उनके कपड़े सिलते थे पापा.
अच्छा.
रस्किन बॉन्ड उनके कपड़े वही सिलते थे. वो तो यहीं बैठ जाते थे आगे पापा के पास. ये घर है ना बराबर में रस्किन बॉन्ड का.
I think this was best souvenir shop we went.
Yeah.
Like whatever old.
I got to
Let's-
fire a gun. That is so cool.
Again. Oh, postcard. First time पे वहाँ पे traffic आ गया था. Now Pritha will tell. Okay.
So we went to this vintage shop called Fairs Vintage Collection.
Show the card.
Them looks like this. And उसके पीछे उन्होंने stamp लगा दिया.
Yeah.
Like we saw old phones and like very vintage things. तोलने का भी वो पता है क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Yeah. That weighing
Weighing
whatever.
scale, yeah.
उसका 100 gram वाला thing as we saw with a huge magnifying glass.
Yeah.
And
100
but
milligrams था. Then there were many like these pistols पुराने वाले.
it's really heavy.
Heavy, हाँ.
Like really heavy.
एंड मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो चलता है लाइक उसकी फायरिंग अभी भी चलती है तो उन्होंने बोला था कि दबा दे तो मैंने दबाया वो बटन और वो ऐसे फायर हो गया था.
फट से आवाज आया. I thought she shot someone.
बट उसमें बुलेट्स नहीं थी. बट आग अभी भी उसमें से वो अब मुझे पता चला वो ऐसे फूकते क्यों हैं क्योंकि उसे आग लगती है तो
It was a really good shop and like you can visit and the
It's very
shopkeeper
famous.
was very nice.
Yeah.
The person there was very nice. He was telling us stories about how his shop was there since the Britishers were here and how they kicked his father off actually. And then about some story and
विद
then
रस्किन बॉन्ड लाइक उनके पापा अपेरेंटली लाइक रस्किन बॉन्ड के कपड़े सीते थे.
then he
It's
showed
a
us some
must go.
book. So it was a cute shop that we
I
can
know a lot
visit.
of people have gone like a lot of famous people are there.
there was photo
Pictures,
frames उसके. ये मैंने बताया नहीं. We are walking till Landor from Zostel, which is like 3.5 kilometers, and we have done 2 kilometers till now.
Yeah.
And like if we wouldn't have been walking, we wouldn't have been to that shop. So
So walk it down to that shop for sure.
Yeah, like I think from Mussoorie to Landor you can walk.
Yeah, it's the weather's also nice today, so.
Yeah, there's no sun.
Yeah, and let's not jinx it.
Like there is sun, but there's no heavy as a sun.
Yeah,
Pe
it's
tapta hua
nice
sun.
weather. और ये पुराना घर दिखाओ.
Okay, Pratha is really fascinated by this old house. I don't know why. But it looks much scarier. Doggy.
तुमने मुझे बोला कि I should not be scared of dogs.
Yeah.
So I tried.
Okay, this house. It's locked. उसके पीछे से और creepy था. But I would don't go.
I mean, I can walk till here at least.
If you want to. What if it breaks? Oh my god. It's really old and abandoned.
It's a curtain.
Okay. What if it's not abandoned? What if it's something is happening inside? Because you can't see what's inside. Everywhere is curtained. What if something is happening inside? And we don't know. Pritha got scared. Yeah, now that we have stepped there. Yeah, now
I'm
because
the
you
ghost. I'm the ghost.
because you have stepped
Walked
there.
out from the dead.
Look, the Tunky is also locked. Okay, bye bye, ugly house.
Ugly house नहीं है.
It is an ugly house, really ugly.
It's an old dilapidated.
Let's go, we have 500 meters to go. Guys, that monkey, it took Pratha's postcards and he's just throwing them. We are at this place called Heart.
Anyways,
We are
you
at
know how
this
sad
place.
it is? I saw that postcard tear into two pieces.
I know, he was eating like... I have that recorded.
You have that recorded on the scene. But the funny thing is, wait, let me pull out my favorite postcard. The postcard that I wanted remains.
Yeah, the bandar gave one back to her. She's like,
And
lay
literally-
bitch, don't cry.
And it was the one that I wanted. And it's the one that I bought first. So
Yeah, this was the only one that you can't find anywhere else. Otherwise, we are in this place called Heart of Landor, and we ordered just food, which is, I don't know, way too expensive, I guess. Now I want to know if it's
worth it.
worth it or not. Abhi tak we didn't had any worth it thing except the breakfast today. I think that was
That was
okay,
yeah, that was
very
worth it.
good. ये दोनों फोन पे लगे हुए हैं.
मैं न्यूज़ देख रही हूँ. मैं डेली
जाने मैं कैसे तेरा हुआ.
अबे
अच्छा बीट में तेज.
अभी आएगा.
तुझको जो पाया आहा, वो जीना. अब ये लम्हा ठहर जाए, थम जाए, बस जाए हम दोनों की दरमियाँ.
Okay, I'm gonna give a taste check.
रोड पर मौजूद होटल हयात सेंट्रिक से एक बड़ी खबर 7,000 से 8,000
I like it softer. Bought it properly. It's a 6.5. It's okay. It looks so good from here. This is it.
Maybe the view picture.
Yes, we are here. Why? It's the best coffee I've ordered अभी तक यहाँ पे आके.
Very flavor.
It's good.
How is that?
9 out of 10.
It was a good decision to come here than Landor Bakehouse. I want to tell, so guys, I saw this in real that Landor Bakehouse is very overrated. So I saw that you should come to Cafe Ivy Cafe, something like that.
Rank 1.
I ordered cinnamon hot chocolate. I would rate it at 9.5 out of 10.
I ordered Irish cafe. I rate Irish coffee. I rate it 10 on 10. Like it's really good.
Like carrot.
I rate this also 10 on 10 and the carrot cake is like must come.
I still want to taste carrot cake.
Carrot cake is like the best I had till now.
Yeah. Best I had in London.
Even in Denmark I had it, but it's little better than that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not fine. You will need
I've never had a carrot cake, but it's good.
In SDU they only used to have carrot cake for.
Are we going to try laughing?
We're gonna try laughing.
Okay, what do you want me to do now?
I wanted
Guys,
you
in
to...
case she puts up any content, it's all my credits. I am the videographer,
Thank you,
photographer.
Pratha. Love you. Yeah, this is above the clouds. Look at this thing. I don't know if it's visible. Oh my god, it looks ethereal and look at the view, guys. Okay, we're gonna leave now, otherwise we'll be late. This city is too pretty, but like I don't wanna leave. But we have to, it's getting really late. Oh my god. Look at this. Saying that creepy old house, someone might live there because the electricity is on, and like literally it is pura dark, and we were coming from there, nobody else was there, and imagine a creepy looking guy coming out of it. Who was calling me?
I would kill Prita then and there.
So scary. Yeah, she was calling me again and again. Ki, oh, somebody lives here.
No, the
I would have
electricity
killed.
meter was off.
Oh, don't go fast.
I'm saying that the electricity meter was on and then Prita
Yeah,
saw it.
even
and was like,
even there were curtains all over there. Somebody definitely lives there.
but
a
it's
very shady
locked
place.
from outside.
So maybe the ghost is locked by the
Wow, Prita.
Pritha is calling them again and again. Still, अभी हम लोग नहीं पहुँचे हैं.
वो है आ रहा है.
Stop. No. Please, I wanna reach.
ठीक है सच में आ रहा है.
Stop, guys. Look.
तेरे कैमरा को वीडियो पॉज करके देख अब अगर
Shut up. भाई उसका फिर उल्टा है. Imagine while watching these clips. One is me. Guys, we reached Mussoorie back on time.
Guess how many steps we got in? We don't know, but I bet it's
At least 6 kilometers.
More than 10k steps.
more than 10.
Definitely.
We're eating a lot. And it's also getting
And Pritha wants to try laughing.
Yeah,
She
we're
never
having momos
had.
because
She's also having momos because
Very hard. We spent 2 minutes.
it was so late. Like so late. Like हमें 30 minutes में होना चाहिए और reaching time बस 30 minutes से दिखा रहा है. Tired. So tired. Guys, we made it to Dehradun. Literally reached at 8:00 when we had to reach at 8:00, like on point time. Otherwise वो हमें छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. This is butter.
इसके नीचे रुमाल है.